GPT Builder, which unfortunately is not at least currently available to free users, lets you create your own custom GPTs by turning verbal instructions directly into code. That's what the builder does. So that's where context engineering really comes into its own. You can design a very specialized learning or working environment just so that it suits what you need. And in the video, I show how I build an interactive learning tutor that guides learning very concisely, card by card, in a very structured way. So the aim is to make the response very precise, to stick exactly to what you want and no more. And using the very first version of it, I learned how to improve it. It taught me how to improve itself. And then I added more features and then I published it. So it's called the Socratic Learning Scaffold. It's very useful, at least I think it is. I mean, in general, GPT Builder is a brilliant way to make the most out of ChatGPT if you have got a subscription. It's very important, you know, if you want a office job nowadays, you've got to demonstrate these skills. And anyway, it's really good for saving energy in the environment, even if you're not looking to gain anything yourself personally from learning this material. So click the link below to see the full video. That's part 4 of lecture 3, Context Engineering with ChatGPT. And for the rest of the lecture, or in fact, loads more advice for people who don't code, there's the entire playlist, which is the No Coder's Guide to Surviving Generative AI.